KeyUnity. You guys have probably heard of them if you're looking for different EDC key setups or different ways to really just enhance your overall key carry. Well, they reached out to me and sent me a couple of their products to check out and give you guys a little bit of insight on what it is. So let's check out this first one right here. Comes in this little box here, and this is, oh, I know what these are. These are little titanium rings. So little O-rings for your keys. There's different sizes there as well. And you just want to put them on your keys. They're titanium, so they're super light. They also don't make much noise because it is titanium. So it looks like I have 3 sizes here. I have a really small one, a medium-sized one, and a larger one as well. So that can keep your keys a lot more lightweight when you have everything attached to this, and you can put this on different carabiners or keychains, what have you. So that's the first thing there. Let's check out the second thing here. Same box. Ah, okay. In here it looks like I did get a carabiner from KeyUnity, but the carabiner is a form of a multi-tool. So you got your clip here, you can just clip onto your pants. It looks like that right there is a flathead screwdriver, or it could be used as one. You have a ruler on this side in centimeters and in inches. You have a bottle opener right here, and then you have different size socket wrenches right there. And then on this side, actually, you have a Phillips screwdriver, all tied with this black paracord, really nice. And this clip here where maybe you can hang your keys or hang this onto your backpack, however you want to use it. So that's really cool. Nice little item there. Let's check out our third piece, and that is this here. So it looks like a longer paracord, gives me some Green Goblin vibes, and you got this little keeper to adjust the cinch on here if you maybe want to rock this on your wrist or what have you. You have a carabiner right there, and that's probably a highlight of this thing, because I've seen this before where you can actually put your keys on the tail end here, and then you can attach this maybe to your belt loop, and then you just slide all of your keys down into this channel right here, and that way you can just hang on a really small platform. So maybe I get this titanium carabiner or a titanium O-ring, and I put that in there, followed by the medium-sized one, and maybe the even smaller one. And now you have that right there. So like I said, it doesn't make much noise because it is titanium, so that's really cool. And if you want to even go a step further and now click that on something larger, now I just became a little innovative and attached all my KeyUnity accessories together, and now you have this system going here. Another thing that they did send is this leather organizer, and it looks like you can use it for maybe a wallet. Put your cards right back here. There's this little brass ring right there where maybe you can put a lanyard. And then on the front side, you got 2 channels. You got one right here and one right here, or maybe you can put a knife and a flashlight. Do I have anything on me? Let me see. I do. I have the new Civivi slip joint. Okay. Mikey15 at civivi.com, you get 15% off, and you do help the channel out. This can go right over here. So now that's how that knife looks like in this organizer. And then maybe you want to rock 2 knives, go a little above and beyond. And now I got another knife right there, and then you still got some space in the back. Maybe I can slip like a pen here comfortably. If you have a really small notebook, you can put that in there as well. Or if you want to slide your cards in here, you can do so. But that is what I got from KeyUnity, y'all. This was sent to me. I'll make sure I link this in the description down below. Catch you guys on the next one. Mikey Daily Carry. Walkabout.